In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync MetaTrader 5 between devices. If you've ever used MetaTrader 5, you might have noticed that, unlike some modern apps, it doesn't automatically sync all of your settings, charts, and indicators across your devices. But don't worry, your trading account information is securely stored on your broker's server, which means you can easily access it from multiple devices. Let me guide you through the process to make your trading experience seamless. First, you'll want to access your MetaTrader 5 on your desktop or laptop. Once the platform is open, look towards the upper left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu item labeled File. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this list, you'll choose Login to Trade Account. This will open a new window where you need to input your specifics. Now, you'll need certain details to get logged in successfully. Your login, which is your account number, your password, and your broker's server address. Make sure you double check this information so that you input it accurately. Your login and password were provided to you when you set up your account, so they should be handy. And the broker's server address is crucial as it defines where your account is hosted. Incorrect details here could prevent you from accessing your account correctly. Once you have entered your login details and selected the correct broker server, it's time to click OK. Doing this will connect your current device to your account. Remember, this process doesn't sync your settings or charts across devices automatically, but it does allow you direct access to your trading account with all your live data and account details. A helpful tip to make this process smoother in the future is to store your login information securely. This will ensure you can quickly and accurately log in from any device whenever necessary. Many brokers offer platforms or tools where you can access information about your account, such as login credentials and server settings. But it's vital to handle these tools carefully to maintain account security. There you have it. By following these steps, you can easily access your MetaTrader 5 account from any device available to you. This ensures you're always ready to trade, analyze, or just keep an eye on your investments wherever you are. Remember that your settings and charts will need to be manually adjusted on each device, but your trading data remains consistent and accessible through your broker's server. Thanks for watching and happy trading.